Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Skyla. If you see something on my nails, don't bother. But I already made the cookie dough. I'm so sorry, I forgot about my YouTube channel. But it's double chocolate cookie dough. Instead of you guys watching me do it, I can just tell you what I put in it. Here it is. Some of it is on the plate right now, and I just ate one of the cookies. It's so good. But here it is. It's double chocolate. It's double chocolate cookie dough. I use Nutella. I use melted Hershey bar. I only use one melted Hershey bar. And then I use flour. I used milk, and I used what's it called? Let me check. Oh, I used brown sugar. Brown sugar, flour, milk, Hershey Kiss, melted Hershey Kiss, and not Hershey Kiss, but melted Hershey. You said you eat it all. Wow. Okay. Right. Anyway, melted Hershey and Nutella. I said you would eat it all. You said you would eat all your cereal.
That cookie got me messed up, yo.
Liar. Well, technically a brownie, but I'm gonna call it a cookie because.
Wait, so you're grounded? Go upstairs, get around.
I never said I was grounded. I said brown cinnamon.
Hey,
I mean brown sugar. Sorry.
Welcome to my sister's Cooking with Skyla show. Make sure to follow.
Yeah.
Wait, is this on Instagram?
No, it's on YouTube.
Make sure to follow, like, and share, and click that bell so you get notified every time you post. And that's
every time I post.
So, yeah. We used to have a slime turning together, but we don't have it anymore. So, I'm sorry.
You talk too much.
See you in the
Okay, here's a small.
See you in the Cooking with Skyla show.
But here it is, and I just tried one of them, me and my brother. So I made 5 of them.
Actually, see you in the next Cooking with Skyla show.
Okay, so I made 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, this is all I made. This one's a really small one right there. I'm not sure about that. Well, no. Yeah, this one right here. Anywho, so basically I made the cookies. I told you all the ingredients, and I just tried one. So good. So we're gonna put this in for 15 seconds, and then we're not gonna make it all the way, but we're just gonna make it. We're gonna stop at 7, and then we're gonna stop at 1. Okay. Alright. As you can see earlier, I made one, and I stopped at 7, and it was actually really good. So, stop, cancel, cook time, 15 seconds, and starting counting. So now I'm going to show you it. I always look up and check on the cookies. 9, 8, 7, and check on it. Feel it just to make sure. Okay, it's still doughy. Finish that. So you're gonna press start again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay. Start. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Check on it. Okay. Coco, Nova. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's the perfect texture. It's milky. And that's what we want it to be. It's not the texture before, and they look really soft. So now we're going to put that in the freezer for a few. So it will harden. Not get too hard. It'll harden. Okay, y'all, so, basically, this was part 1, and there's going to be a part. This was part 1, and there's going to be a part 2 later on. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later in part 2. Bye. Make sure to stay fun, stay loyal, and stay pretty. Bye.